Hi, Falcon families. Welcome to 6th grade science. I'm Victoria Combs, and I'm going to be your students' science teacher for their 6th grade year. In this class, I'm really hoping we are centered around figuring out and not just learning about. To me, that means I'm going to be pushing all of our Falcons to think critically instead of just memorizing science facts. Here's a little bit about me. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in chemistry. I was born and raised in California, and I moved to Colorado actually to earn my master's in chemistry at CSU. I love to teach science because I love to share my passion for science with my students, and I also love to teach them critical thinking and life skills that they can use beyond my class. During the 6th grade science, we are going to cover a lot of different topics in science. So we will be focusing on scientific skills, the practices of science, and geology on Mars, and matter and its interactions in the first trimester. During this trimester, we are going to be planning some super fun experiments, like growing food on Mars. We are going to be learning how to plan an investigation and answer those questions like a scientist. In trimester 2, we are going to start with unit 4, and we are going to learn about changes to the Earth's crust and ongoing plate motion. In trimester 3, we are going to tackle some biology topics. We will be learning about evolutionary history and ecology and biodiversity. In order to help your student grow and also help me grow as a teacher, I really want to encourage you to track your students' grades in Infinite Campus. If your student is missing an assignment, it will be marked as missing in Infinite Campus, so you will be able to see if they have not turned in an assignment for any of their classes. If you notice something is marked as missing and your student actually says they've completed it, please email me, let me know so I can update that grade ASAP. If you have any other concerns about this class, please let me know. Tracking your students' grade is probably the #1 way you can support them to be successful in science class. I also really want to let everyone know that I really value your communication. I know it takes time out of your day to send an email to me, and I really appreciate that time that you're taking. I really value any communication that I'm receiving. So if you have any specific questions for me about class, or you have questions about information that pertains to science, please send me an email. My email is victoria.combs@scienceandtech.org. So any questions, concerns about science, please let me know. I will do my best to honor a 1-week window to get back to you with answers to any questions. So if you ask a question in an email, my goal is to get back to you with an answer within a week. Again, I'm going to do my best to honor that agreement because I truly value your communication, your questions, and I'm going to do everything I can to provide those answers and get clarity for you. So that about wraps up my presentation. Thank you so much for being here and for spending some of your precious time to learn a little bit about science class for your 6th grader. Please, again, reach out to me if you have any questions at all. And I'm really looking forward to teaching your wonderful student this year. Have a great rest of your day.